Hello, my name is Tim Edwards and welcome to the Tim G. Edwards Music YouTube channel. Today I want to teach you how to play a very popular praise and worship song called Waymaker, written by a lady from Nigeria, a very popular songwriter and singer. She released this song back in December the 30th, 2015, and this song has been sung by many artists and by many church leaders, and as part of their praise and worship song, Waymaker. And you can download this song for free with the lyrics and the chords that I'm going to be teaching you today. In my description below, there'll be a link there to Ultimate Guitar tabs that you can download the lyrics and the chords to this song and follow along. So let's get started. Okay, today I'm going to be teaching you how to play Waymaker using guitar chords taught in the previous lesson of G major, C add 9, E minor 7, and D sus 4. So we'll just kind of review those real quickly here. If you look at the chart above, G major, we'll just have the first finger on string number 5 on the 2nd fret, and then finger number 2 on the 6th string of the 3rd fret. And again, as taught in the previous lesson, the fingers 3 and 4 will be planted on strings 1 and 2 of the 3rd fret and play all strings. That'll be a G major. Okay, now to play the C add 9, you just simply move these 2 fingers down 1 string on the same frets. So that's a G major, and just move these 2 fingers down, and that's a C add 9. So we're going to be playing that chord. And then E minor 7, you keep these 2 fingers planted and just move these fingers, finger number 1 on string number 5 of the 2nd fret, finger number 2 on string number 4 of the 2nd fret, and that'll be E minor 7. Don't play this top string, just kind of mute it with your thumb. Okay, and then the D sus 4, place finger number 1 on the 3rd string of the 2nd fret, finger number 3 on the 2nd string of the 3rd fret, and then finger number 4 on string number 1 of the 3rd fret, and that's how you play D sus 4. And it sounds like this. Okay, we'll be using these 4 chords throughout the whole song. The chord progression is the same for the verses as well as the chorus and the bridges. You just play these 4 chords using the chord progression of C add 9, even though the song is written in the key of G, and typically you start off the song with the key that it's written in, but instead we're going to be starting with the C. So it'll be C add 9, and then G, and then D sus 4, and E minor. So it'll be in that order throughout the entire song. So C add 9, G major, D sus 4, E minor 7. Okay, so as far as the strumming pattern, you just want to play down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up, up, down, down. Okay, so using a chord of G major, it'll sound something like this: down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up, up, down, down. Okay, and then you switch to C. Okay, you're gonna be playing just 1 bar of each of the chords. Okay, you'll only play, in other words, 4 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next key, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Okay, so we're going to be starting off with C add 9. Okay. So it'll go like this: you are here, moving in our midst. I worship you. I worship you. You are here, working in this place. worship you. I worship you. Okay, so that sings through a couple of times. Okay, so the chorus uses the same chord progression, same chord, same rhythm pattern. Waymaker, miracle worker, promise keeper, light in the darkness, my God, that is who you are. Waymaker, miracle worker, promise keeper, light in the darkness, my God, that is who you are. So on the bridge you use the same chord progression and same rhythm pattern. If you want to kind of hold out on that first beat, you can do that just to change it up. So to go something like this. Even when I don't see it, you're working. Even though I don't feel it, you're working. You never stop working. You never stop working. Even though I don't see it, you're working. Even though I don't feel it, you're working. You never stop working. You never stop working. And then you can just repeat the chorus and the verses as many times as you like. And it's a great song, great praise and worship song. And that's all for today. If you like this lesson, be sure and hit the like button, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed already. It's free, there's no obligation. It just simply bookmarks my channel onto your subscription, so I can be found easier when I upload new videos. Then you'll receive notification of those. The next lesson I want to teach you how to play this song again using the original key of E. I'm going to show you how to use some different open chords playing up the neck in the key of E. It'll be a little bit advanced, but basically you'll still be using this E-shaped chords using this song. So be sure and join in that on the next lesson. So have a great day, and God bless you.